do something really cool. Let's go to Union Glacier Camp. So negative 79 degrees south latitude. And let's set the model for December, I think it's December 20th when they're going. And let's see what the Flat Earth model predicts. Let's test our claims. This is what we do as senior level Flat Earth researchers. So the sun is visible, but will it be there now for 24 hours? Let me zoom up on the left so you see what we're working with. If I adjust the time, yeah. So the Flat Earth model predicts that there will be a 24-hour sun when you're past the ice wall in Union Glacier Camp. And let's see how close you'd have to get. So let's adjust our latitude until the sun's no longer visible. Right about there. So actually, yeah, 60 degrees. Okay, yeah, so it's quite interesting. So you know the Antarctic Treaty is at the 60 degrees south latitude. Coincidentally, they don't want you going far enough to really test this unless you're on one of these guided tours. So that is interesting. You have to be past negative 60 degree latitude to see the 24. Well, it'll be a little below it, so 57. So to be fair, you'd have to be at 57 degrees south latitude, and that's anything past that is when you can see it. But when you're way out at Union Glacier Camp, it'll be quite high as well. So you can go to your first person perspective. Let me go back into photo mode so we can see the nice view. So yeah, that's what it will look like for them. They're gonna see the sun travel around that line. So see this line right there. The sun's gonna travel along that, and they'll see it for 24 hours.